show you off. Tonight I'm gonna show you off. Yeah, 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 party rock. A million could have never bought. We gonna party like it's 13, 12 tonight. I'm gonna show you all the final things to like. So believe it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a beauty and a beast. Nothing extraordinary, guys. It's just a creating monohydrate. This time I bought a new flavor, fruit fusion. I used so many brands, Muzzle Blaze Creatine, Velcor, and I have used Optimum Nutrition. And I like this one because it fills the muscle, but it's little bit bloating. Never mind. We got zinc in the house. Zinc produces testosterone. I take it alternative days. I have more testosterone and better hair follicles. And we got omega 3 fish oil, triple strength from Nutrabay. Triple strength basically help in bone recovery. That's the main cause I got this. We got magnesium glycinate, very observable bioavailability form. It absorbs fast than other forms, glycinate and bisglycinate. From that one, helps me sleep better and muscle recovery better and avoid cramps. And we got 3 packs, 3 kilos of yoga bar oats. Oats basically is one of the protein sources in my diet. Yo, I heard lately they've been adding soy instead of whey for the filler. Don't know, I gotta change the brand.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.